Hi everyone, what's up? Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're going to be reviewing the Bellezza Inizio coffee machine. So let's get started. This is the top of the line heat exchanging home espresso machine from Bellezza. Built around a solid E61 stainless steel group head, you have everything you need to be making great coffee. From the PID controlled temperature stability of the large and powerful boiler, to accessories such as the precision made standard sized filter baskets and a professional steel tamp, along with two portafilters of the usual double spouted handle, as well as a naked bottomless portafilter. An inviting addition for when using Inizio's programmable pre-infusion, which in combination will allow you to dial in and hone your skills to brew cafe quality espresso. And then there's extra goodies in the box as well that include a choice of a 2, 3 and 4 hole steam tip. Now, resting on your preference and ability, there's loads of steam power available to be steaming milk at the same time as brewing coffee, as well as steaming milk back to back. And it's that cool touch steam wand and hot water tap that complete the features that make this an all-round quality machine to own. And the Bellezza Inizio is a high-end heat exchanging home espresso machine offering above and beyond the standard accessories, as well as coming in two separate variations, either with a vibratory pump or using a commercial rotary pump, which will further add the ability to plumb the Inizio machine into the mains water supply. So if you're looking to shop the Inizio or the full range of Bellezza machines, you can from this link up above. Let's take a look now at the details of this machine and discover why it would perhaps make a great addition to your kitchen bench at home. So the machine is a little bit larger than its predecessors in the Bellezza range, but not by much, and it measures 30 centimeters wide, 41 centimeters high, and 49 centimeters deep. And for head height, placing it under a kitchen bench or countertop, secure around 55 centimeters from the bench top in order to access the 2.4 litre gravity-fed water tank. This is set at the back of the machine, and this generously sized water tank provides the 2 litre insulated stainless steel boiler that has dual circuit control over the 2000 watts of power. And sitting above this is the passively warmed cup tray, easily fitting 6 large cups and then keeping them warm throughout operation. And looking now at the front of the machine, you have manometers for both the brewing pressure as well as the steam pressure. There's 360-degree tilt taps on both the hot water tap and the steam wand, along with that traditional Italian lever activation of the machine. And it's from the LED panel in the bottom left that you manage the machine settings, where you can adjust the setting for pre-infusion, and you have 0 to 30 seconds that are possible, and this will initiate below 2 bars of pressure once the lever is lifted to begin brewing, and then pausing momentarily before ramping up to full pressure after that program time is reached. And pre-infusion helps with many aspects of espresso brewing and can easily be used to navigate your way around channeling of a shot to freshly roasted coffee, or it can be used to bring out more complex and unusual combinations of notes in your coffee. Interestingly, noticeably longer pre-infusions with certain coffees tend to rapidly increase the flow of espresso brewing out, but these espressos are not compromised either in the standard recipe of the espresso shot nor in the strength of the espresso itself. So a standard pre-infusion would be around 3 to 5 seconds, but with the Inizio, you can explore unknown territory and take your pre-infusions out to 10 or even 20 seconds, and it's here you really get to have fun and learn with the machine. And you're also able to set the temperature of the boiler through the PID, where you set the steam temperature, and this should be around 120 to 126 degrees Celsius, and that brew water will then be offset by the initial temperature, as is the fact with heat exchanging espresso machines. And I found setting the steam temperature at 120 degrees Celsius, this will get you around 94 degrees Celsius brew water. And then for every degree change in the setting, changes the brew water by about half a degree. There's also an eco mode of 5 timed auto off settings if the machine is left unattended. So after taking a look at all of those specs of the Inizio, let's just pull a shot now and see how it performs. So here I've placed 18 grams in the basket of the naked portafilter. That included tamp is a great weight and fit for the basket. I have the pre-infusion set for 3 seconds and I'll be aiming for a 40 to 45 ml shot out. That vibratory pump of the Inizio is reasonably quiet for brewing coffee and does perform very well, but it's really the rotary pump Inizio where you'll benefit the most from. And the LED display, this turns into a shot timer when the lever goes up, so it's going to help keep consistency at its best and then brew delicious espressos each time. And for the cappuccino or latte lover amongst us, that steam pressure is quick to get going with no issues being able to keep up with a long line of orders once those guests start arriving. Now, I favoured the 3 or even the 4 hole steam tip the most with that boiler set at 122 degrees Celsius. This is where I got the best results for steaming and creating that silky smooth milk we've all become accustomed to from baristas in cafes everywhere. So without a doubt, the Inizio is packed full of features. There's German design and precision with the reliability that comes along with a flawless stainless steel finish that's been used throughout the machine. And the build quality of the Bellezza Inizio is robust but elegant. And this is sure to please any home barista. These machines will be easy to maintain and last a lifetime of outstanding and delicious coffees brewed. So if you have any questions on the Bellezza Inizio, then add them in the comments section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon and subscribe so you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. And if you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.